Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Numerology by Sakshi Dogal Kumriya. So today we will talk about number 4. Number 4 matlab anybody who is born on 4th of any month, 13th of any month, 22nd of any month and 31st of any month are ruled by planet Mars, which means number 4. Why it is Mars? Because it's positioned on the 4th position from the solar system. So it has got a lot of aggression. मार्स प्लैनेट का मतलब होता है बहुत गुस्सा, बहुत अग्रेशन, बहुत पावर, एवरीथिंग विच इज़ इन डेप्थ एंड डीप. So these planets and these numbers have so much of ethics involved in them. They are very disciplined people but very aggressive workers. They want to do everything in a perfectionist manner. They don't compromise on their quality. They don't compromise on the work quality. And these kind of people, they're very good as entrepreneurs. Job is not meant for these numbers. So anybody who is born on these respective dates have excellent leadership qualities. They are very good in their ethics, their values, few things which other planets and people look up to. These planets become the leaders. They are the rulers, they are entrepreneurs, they are celebrities in their respective fields. They set an example and they become role models. They're extremely good people at heart but highly misunderstood. Why misunderstood? Because they are very aggressive. If they don't get results according to their level of expectations, they spoil their relationships. तो ये जो प्लैनेट्स होते हैं ये अपना रास्ता खुद निकालते हैं. आप इनको गाइड नहीं कर सकते, आप इनको क्रिटिसाइज भी नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट वेरी गुड विद क्रिटिसिज्म. दे गेट रिजेंटफुल इन द सेंस दैट दे विल कन्विंस यू दैट देयर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इज ऑलवेज राइट, एंड दे आर टू अ लार्ज एक्सटेंट राइट एंड वेरी वेरी नॉलेजेबल. तो जब हम इन प्लैनेट्स की बात करते हैं, हम इन पे डिपेंड कर सकते हैं, हमारी डिपेंडेंसीज आ सकती हैं. ये लोग डिपेंडेबल नहीं होते. दे मोस्टली टेक अवे द रोल ऑफ बीइंग द लीडर ऑफ द हाउस एंड मैन ऑन द हाउस. दे गेट द सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. दे गेट मनी इन अबंडेंस. फाइनेंशियल पावर इनकी एक्सट्रीमिटी में होती है. वाई? बिकॉज ये प्लैनेट, money is power for them. In other words, if they have money, they feel they're very powerful. It's not that they'll boast or something, but they have to have that security. They don't mind sharing it, they don't mind giving it, but you can't ask for money or financial support from them, because it comes naturally. They will themselves will support their family, their friends, their people, though they are not very friendly people. They are social, highly social, but they will keep a distance because their mental level and their IQ level doesn't match with everybody and anybody. They are people who are little different there, because they are role models. और जब हम role models बनते हैं, हमारे अंदर एक ऐसी power होती है, हमारे अंदर ऐसी quality होती है जो हम दूसरों को हमको follow करने पे मजबूर करते हैं. That means we can't be them. There are certain things जो ये number ही कर सकता है. Right? So now very logical, very helpful, very people who are givers. अब जब हम इतना कुछ देते हैं ज़िंदगी में, हमारी रेसिप्रोकेशन भी बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. इनके साथ रहना एक चैलेंज होता है. सो पर्सनली पीपल हु स्टे विद देम विल नो देयर नेचर. It becomes little challenging because they're little difficult to understand because of their aggression. They get anxiety issues. They want everything perfect. So हर चीज़ perfection में हर बारी possible नहीं है आनी life में. So they miss on that family connect. Their own people tend to misunderstand them at times, which is a little negative part, which I'm sure anybody who's watching me right now can work on it, because हमें अपनी weaknesses को strengths बनाना है. ये जो प्लैनेट्स हैं, नंबर्स हैं, मंगल को रूल करते हैं. मंगल मतलब अग्रेशन, मंगल मतलब हर चीज़ की उनको परफेक्शन की आदत होती है. और जब आदत होती है तो आप अपनी स्किल्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा बिलीव करते हैं. सो दे आर बिलीवर्स ऑफ देम सेल्व्स, विच इज़ अ वेरी पॉजिटिव क्वालिटी. I would advise them not to get into any kind of speculation, and if they can avoid alcohol to not attract negativity, please do so. I'm not saying that refrain from it completely, but you can avoid it in the maximum capacity if possible. So 2020 is number 4, and this year is a big drastic change for everybody who is born on 4th, 13th, 22nd and 31st of the month. So I'm just wishing the best for them, because there's going to be a lot of diversification. आपके अपने रास्ते अपने आप निकलेंगे, because you are go getters. Only thing is अपने गुस्से पे थोड़ा control रखें. Anger management, as in please control your anger with your loved ones. You can really show your persona to people who don't matter to you, but your own people really respect you and look up to you. With this, I would like to end my session for today, and you can follow me on my YouTube channel, Numerology by Sakshi Duggal Kumriya. You can follow me on Facebook with the same name. You can go to my website www.sakshiduggalkumriya.com and book your sessions. Till then, stay blessed, stay positive, stay happy. Take care. Thank you.